In today's video, as promised, I'm going to show you guys how to make a Final Fantasy-esque style logo. I also just got a brand new HyperX mic. I don't have any affiliate links, it's just a really cool mic. And if you love RPG Maker tips, tricks, tutorials, and just general discussion about RPG Maker, then scroll down and hit subscribe and the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. First thing, what we're going to do is grab some images. So I'll grab from the DLC, Tio and Walter. I'm going to open them up. Just going to create a new Photoshop file. And then I'm going to copy both of these in there. Once I've got them where I like them, I'm going to hit Control-Shift-U on both layers. Then I'm just going to merge them together. Then what I'm going to do is down here, I'm going to go to the threshold option, and you can just change along here to get the different levels of dark and light that you like. I'm going to use this one. Once you've done that, I'm just going to merge this threshold layer down onto the original layer. Then go up into Select, hit Color Range. And what you want to do is select all of the black. Hit OK, and that's going to select the black areas for you. We're going to hit Control-C and Control-V to create a new layer. And then on this layer, we're just going to have that black. We're going to double click on this layer. We're going to scroll down to Gradient Overlay. And in the Gradient Overlay settings, we're just going to pick one that has a couple of colors. So this one here will do. Then, change the colors to be bluish, greenish, and purplish. Once you've done that, you can go to your original layer and delete that. And now you have a Final Fantasy-esque style logo. If you wanted to use Final Fantasy font, you can go to a website called dafont.com. Download it, extract the files, then right-click on the font and install it. After you've done that, your font should be available in Photoshop, so we're going to select the text tool, click anywhere, we'll increase the size of this font, and then up where you can choose your font, just scroll to F where you'll see Final Fantasy. Make sure to type in all capitals. Adjust the size of the font to your liking, and then the last thing we need to do is give this font a white outline. And now you have a Final Fantasy styled logo. If you've enjoyed this video, then scroll down and smash like. Bye.